In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Sites to a new domain. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Google Sites dashboard, and then you want to click Settings up in the top right corner. And inside this menu here, you want to click Custom Domains. And here you want to click Start Setup. And here you want to type in the domain name you own that you want to use for your Google Sites. And then you want to click this link, Verify Your Ownership. Click it. And you will be taken to the Google Search Console. And you have to be logged in to your account for this. It needs to be the same account that you have your Google Sites on. And as you can see here, the URL comes automatically inside this box here. And then you want to click Continue. And inside here there is some info that you need to read carefully. The first thing you want to do is to select the record type, and the text TXT is recommended. Step 2 is to sign in to your domain provider, GoDaddy or Namecheap, or if you have something else. And then you want to copy the text record below in the DNS configuration here, and you just click this copy button here. And then you want to paste this text inside the hosting DNS record. You have to go to your hosting provider's support page, and it will probably be a good explanation on how to insert this text code into the DNS configuration. You also would need to change the CNAME record to ghsgooglehosted.com. And when all of that is done, you want to click Verify. And it will can take up to a day or a few days before everything is up to date. So this is how you connect your Google Sites to a custom domain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.